Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust the auto velocity on CapCut. So you are just going to you're going to select the video first, then you're going to select style, then you're going to find velocity, then you're just going to click it again once it's done generating. So you are going to select adjust. Here you can adjust the interval between the two beats, so there are a few seconds to do it. So if you go to the right, then the interval will be super long. If you go to the left, it will be super short. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!